Exploring the mysterious Gulf Breeze sightings, uncovering the truth behind the UFO phenomenon. The Gulf Breeze sightings. In the late 1980s, the small town of Gulf Breeze in Florida was thrust into the global spotlight due to the remarkable sightings of UFOs in the area. Residents of the town reported witnessing a series of extraordinary occurrences in which they spotted unidentified flying objects, UFOs, in the sky above them. Witnesses reported strange, unidentified flying objects in the sky, sparking an intense debate between those who believed they had seen something extraterrestrial and those who thought the sightings were nothing more than hoaxes. This article explores the mysterious history of the Gulf Breeze sightings and delves into the theories surrounding this phenomenon. On November 11, 1987, Ed Walters, a prominent local contractor and amateur photographer, declared that he had a UFO sighting in his backyard, thus beginning the series of Gulf Breeze sightings. Walter captured a large saucer-shaped UFO hovering above the ground with his camera, which he described as an incredible sight. The Gulf Breeze sightings quickly became a talking point among the locals of the tranquil coastal town after Ed Walters, who lived there, came forward with his story and photographs. Reports of Walters' encounters quickly spread beyond Gulf Breeze, arousing the interest of UFO enthusiasts and researchers all over the globe. Experts were eager to investigate further when news spread of potential UFO activity in the small town. The team conducted interviews, studied photographs, and even reported their own experiences with unidentified flying objects in order to gain insight into the phenomenon. These researchers played a major role in the continued exploration of the Gulf Breeze sightings, and became important figures in the process. The Gulf Breeze Sentinel played a crucial role in the Gulf Breeze sighting saga, being the local newspaper that initially reported Ed Walters' story. The newspaper reported on every sighting, providing in-depth descriptions and pictures to back up the testimonies of those who had seen it. By providing extensive coverage of UFO sightings, the media has helped foster a sense of community amongst those who have had their own extraterrestrial encounters. This has encouraged others to come forward and share their stories. During this period, the Gulf Breeze Sentinel was met with criticism from skeptics who accused the paper of being overly sensational and profiting from promoting the sightings. The newspaper supported its reporting, claiming that it was offering a valuable service to the public by shining a light on the issue. Due to the overwhelming amount of coverage and the increasing amount of evidence, it became evident that something extraordinary was occurring in Gulf Breeze. The Gulf Breeze community underwent a drastic change as the sightings of the unidentified flying objects continued. Once a tranquil coastal oasis, Gulf Breeze has earned a reputation as a hotspot for unidentified flying object sightings. The tranquil atmosphere that the inhabitants of the area were used to was disturbed due to the influx of people coming to seek answers and conduct research. The community divided into two groups, those who accepted the sightings as genuine and those who thought they were elaborate fabrications. For believers, the Gulf Breeze sightings had a transformative effect. They were filled with amazement and admiration for the cosmos after witnessing what they believed to be proof of extraterrestrial life, rekindling their awe of the universe. They dedicated their lives to attending UFO conferences, discussing sightings with other enthusiasts, and tirelessly fighting for the truth. Critics of the Gulf Breeze sightings suggested that the events were orchestrated by those who sought fame and recognition. By studying the photographs and testimonies provided, experts carefully analyzed the alleged sightings, noting any inconsistencies and providing possible explanations. Believers of the supernatural phenomenon were highly passionate about their conviction, while skeptics were met with ridicule and hostility from the believers, further deepening the rift within the community. The Gulf Breeze sightings gradually lost their prominence in the public eye, but the repercussions of the event still linger today. Many explanations have been proposed to account for the mysterious sightings of UFOs, ranging from government conspiracies to mass hysteria. Witnesses have reported seeing strange occurrences, but no solid evidence has been found to either prove or disprove these claims. Various organizations and private researchers conducted investigations in an attempt to bring closure to the Gulf Breeze sightings. The investigators closely examined the photographic evidence, conducted interviews, and consulted with experts in order to gain insight into the sightings. Despite their attempts, the true nature of the Gulf Breeze sightings remains unknown. The Gulf Breeze sightings have intrigued people around the globe with the possibility of providing evidence of alien life. Whether one believes the sightings of UFOs in Gulf Breeze are real or just elaborate hoaxes, their influence on the local community is unmistakable. The late 1980s saw a series of heated debates take place in the town, irrevocably changing the outlooks and lifestyles of its inhabitants. The Gulf Breeze sightings highlight the enduring fascination with UFO encounters and the dedication some possess to uncover the truth. The case of Gulf Breeze is an intriguing one, as its unexplained sightings of UFOs continue to puzzle researchers and spark debate. Although the truth of the matter may never be known, the Gulf Breeze incident provides a fascinating example of how unidentified